Hey y'all, hey, excuse the angle y'all. I know y'all see my tripod right here. I have to give me a clip on tripod, so when I'm doing these nail videos, y'all will not see this whole little stand situation, so y'all bear with me. But we are doing a Amazon gel polish kit unboxing. This is the kit. I will put all the pricing and everything on the screen, as well as the link to the product will be in the description box, and it is not for commission. So this is the gel polish kit from Arousar. It still has the plastic on it, so I have not opened it yet. I just want to open it with you guys on camera. Sorry, y'all, had to make a tear in it. Just gonna unbox this product. Excuse all these other things everywhere. I don't know if I want to do like some press-ons with it, or if I just want to paint my regular nails. The only prep that I did was I did just go ahead and cut my fingernails because they were a little bit grown out. This is the box. And you just open them like this. See what we got in here. Got a user manual. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gel polishes. This is how it looks when we opened it up. And let's take each one out. We got this color A666. And it's looking like this. We got this one, which is A665, looking like this. All right, we have the third color, which is A664, looking like that. We got A663, looking like that. We have A667, looking like that. A668, looking like this. Y'all, excuse me. We have A669, looking like this. And we have finally A670, which is looking like this. So I'm gonna swatch each color for you guys. I love the way they did the boxing though. Like you could put these back in here. They have this little foam to separate it, and that was all that was in the box. So I'm gonna swatch each color for you guys. Then we'll get into the user manual and we'll get into the manicure itself. All right, you guys, I brought you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see the swatching. I'm just using these Eevee nail tips just to show you guys the color. I'm debating if I'm gonna wear extensions with this manicure, but I just want to show you guys the color, like on, you know, like a nail surface. So I just thought it would be nice to use a tip. So we're gonna try to keep this in order. It went from A663 through A670. So right now we have the A663. Mind you, all the bottles are 7.3 milliliters. Says soak off UV and LED gel polish, color gel. So let's start off with the A663. This is how the color's looking. A little bit thick. Good payoff color though. Like you could probably do this in like one coat. So that is the initial painting of A663. Gonna let them all dry. Gonna do A664. Trying to pick the bigger tips just because I really don't care about these tips like that. So you guys can really see the color. So this is A664. Once again, very thick. I probably should have shook them up first. This is how this is looking. One coat pretty much. That's A664. Okay, gonna go on to A665. I need to get some, let me shake these before I use it. I need to get some of those swatch nails, like where you can, like where you want to do swatches. But I only really do them for my unboxing videos, so I wouldn't need them for myself, but it would be nice to not have to use nail tips. So this is A665, like a pinky color. Then we got A666. Get another nail from over here. I don't know what color I want to do my nails though. I think I'm just gonna go with a basic gel manicure, very thick polish. Good for like one coat though. You could probably get away with like one coat. Okay, that's that one. A667. These are sticking together. A667. Okay, gonna go ahead and do A668. Polishes are very thick. A668. A669. I think made a little bit of difference for me to shake it up a little bit, but I just think these polishes are just on the thicker side, which I don't have a problem with. So okay. Okay, that's A669. And last but not least, we're gonna do A670. And then I'm gonna put them in the lamp and show you guys how they look after curing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cure them and then I will show you how they look after curing. Let me see what the user manual says for curing times. This is the manual. All the directions on how to apply the polish and everything. So, let me see. It says 60. All right, so I'm just going to cure for 99 seconds for them. The nails are in there. Not gonna lie, trying to bring them all close. I kind of touched some of them, so they may have some little marks on them, but we just trying to see the true color after they cure for 99 seconds. I think I'm just gonna do a regular polish on my nails. I already cut my nails down, so it's to push back the cuticle, clip your nails, buff the area, apply gel, base coat, cure, and then apply the color, cure, And then you, of course, apply the top coat and then cure. It does not come with the base or the top coat. I do have that from Model 1. So that's what I will be using. This, excuse me, got stuff wasted on it, but it's the Model 1's top coat and the Model 1's base coat is what I'll be using on my natural nails. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna do an extension. My nails kind of need a break after having on some other gel polish nails. And then I had on press-ons for a whole week. So we're just going to do it on my natural nail. And that will be that. Just already cut my nails. Just going to go ahead and clean them with some acetone while that's curing. And I just have this Onyx Professional 100% pure acetone. That's what I use for, you know, drying out the nail and all of that. All right, y'all, so the nails have been done curing. Oops, I was stuck to it. And these are all the colors starting from A663 all the way through A670. And they are dry. Like I said, I had a couple of mishaps with handling them. So this is A663 in its true form after being dried. Like I said, excuse the little mark I have there, but that's A663. This is A664. And this is A665. Then we have A666. We have A667. We have A668. We have A669. And then last but not least, we have A670, A670. So all of them are like kind of like these fall looking colors with the nudie pinks, you know. So I'm going to try to figure out which one I want to use, and then we just going to paint my nails, okay? Prep work, I did just go ahead and just put the acetone on my nails. I do need to use the nail drill and kind of get some of this nail glue off of my nails. Because I do have quite a bit of like old glue on my nails. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Alright, you guys, went ahead and used the drill, buffed all my nails, used some acetone. I'll go ahead and do that again. Excuse how dry my hands look. I was washing some dishes earlier and doing some cleaning, so my hands look very dry. I will moisturize and stuff after this manicure. So yeah, we're not gonna add any extensions. I'm just gonna do a basic on the nail color. So let that dry. So go ahead and add the base coat, the top coat. This is the Model 1's base coat, and top coat is what I'll be using. And it says to cure for, let's see, I think it said 90 to 120 seconds. Let me see. 60 to 120. So my lamp goes up to 99, so I'll probably just do one of those. Let me go ahead and add the base coat. Y'all, excuse the lighting. I'm struggling with lighting right now. It's very gloomy outside. It's been raining all day. So I'm really struggling as far as lighting. Hope you guys can see well enough with my ring light. And I even had to turn on my my overhead light, like in my actual bedroom, which I usually never do. I usually the ring light and my lamp is enough, but like I guess I need that extra lighting today. Don't come for my painting skills, y'all. This is just a demo. And yeah, this is just like a little manicure that's gonna last probably 2 weeks, and then I'll probably drill it off and do another nail video. So it's just something for me to get through. Oh, I need to pick what color I want to use. Let's use, do I want to do more pink or more brown? That's what I'm thinking. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cured each hand for 99 seconds 2 times. So that's the base coat. We're going to go ahead and apply the 8667. Let me give it a good shake. And let's go ahead and apply this color. Initial review, it is thick, but the color payoff is really nice. Like, one coat is really gonna probably do it, but I won't really know excuse me y'all, until after I cure it. So don't come for my painting skills, y'all. I am not the best at painting, and I think I got a little piece of cotton from my cotton round there too. And you guys see how thick it is, because I'm literally I haven't dipped this brush back into the polish. Like, I just did my whole hand with this one brush, this one dip of polish. So yeah, I just need to take that little piece of cotton off. But yeah, I'm not the best, y'all. I just wanted to try these colors out, and I didn't feel like putting on no extensions. So yeah, that's what it is today. That's what it's gonna be today, okay? Okay. All right, went ahead and finished painting this nail. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna just go ahead and cure it for 99 seconds and then do the other hand and top off with the top coat. So I'm just gonna come back when everything is all finished. I'll put some little cuticle oil on my hands for y'all and make it look cute, give y'all a little nail photo shoot. But all I can say from the polish, I love that it's thick. Like, I kind of like that. Like, I could probably get away with one coat. And we'll see after this coat. If I need to do a second coat, I'll let you guys know. But I really just like how thick it is. The color payoff is nice. It's very affordable too. I'll put the code as well as my receipt from Amazon, so you guys can see how much I paid for it. I don't know if the code is still active, because I bought this like around, I can't remember. I bought it before Christmas, so I don't know if the code is still active, but I'll pop the code up on here and I'll pop my receipt and everything. I want to say they were like $5-6 after the code. And I think originally, it's maybe like 10 or so. So I got a couple dollars off, but yo, I really like these colors. I picked this like fall type of colors, because you can use these like neutrals all year round. So yeah, I also love Model 1s. I recommend Model 1s like gel polish. That's what I always use for my like pedicure. And I always use their top and base coat. I'm always buying their top and base coat, and I'm always buying their white. Like, I just love Model 1s, and they're affordable too. So I think that's why I like it so much. Coming up on 8 seconds now. So let's see how this looks after curing, and there is one coat. Okay, let's see. Y'all see that? Y'all, my painting is not the best.